So here we are at 617 Lawson, our home for the next school year at least. And we're gonna get it fixed up and turn it into something wonderful. But it's pretty rough right now. Let's go take a look. The front porch steps into the main room. You can see the floors are lovely, but there's obviously things we have to do. There's Carrie. All right, got the tunes on the Carrie. You can see I'm going to do painting and cleaning over the next couple days. There's lovely daughter-in-law Mary. Okay, you can see obviously there's water issues. And that bathroom we're going to totally gut and redo. This will be an awesome kitchen, but it's not much of anything right now. All right, going through the dining room. And you get, there are things to do here, but we have to do the before and after. And then upstairs to fairly unusual in a house this size, 4 bedrooms. So we have work to do in here, like another bathroom to be redone, and an interesting color choice here. It is a lovely June day today. What, June 27th? Yeah. Yep. 2022. Our next great housing adventure. So Carrie and Mary, I thought you might appreciate a little walkthrough of where we are before I go home to get Mom and your siblings. So as you can see, painted with that primer paint, and Mr. Welker scrubbed the floors. They're not great, but they're workable. Completely workable bathroom. The maroon room, again cleaned up, floor mopped. Here's the boys' room here. And Mr. Welker even mopped this room, even though it needs to be finished over there. So that's the upstairs. Really quite a miraculous transformation. Okay, so after 2 weeks of sustained work, how'd we do? Okay, well, we've got the kitchen all torn out and the floor covered up and that wall torn out for future expansion. We've got this room ready for becoming a 3-quarter bath. Mike Welker came and mopped and swept. You see we've got all the walls primered. The floors cleaned as well as they could be without a sander. Coming through into the living room. And again, we've got all the walls primered. Thanks to Mary and Natalie and just the army of volunteers, Kevin, made this happen. Okay, again, the floors swept and mopped as well as they could be without sanding or something more dramatic. And then front porch cleared off as well. And so hopefully it's enough for us to live in. Beds have been delivered, so that's what we got.